Hi friends, I'm Zanaya and welcome to Zara's Kitchen. Today we will be making a special sweet which we make every year on Eid. The ingredients we need are 4 packets of fresh milk, 2 packets of Tetra Pak, 1 glass of boiled rice which I have cleaned so there will be no stone, and let it boil. 8 to 10 cardamoms, sugar as per sweet taste. Friends, the first step is boil the fresh milk and the Tetra Pak milk together. It will take almost 20 to 25 minutes to boil. So all water dries up and milk gets thick. The creamy mixture of milk will give the kheer a nice taste and you will love it. So now we will start the boiling milk process. After that we will boil the rice to almost full done. So let's begin the process. Now we are going to add the Tetra Pak milk, the fresh milk. Add whole of it in the pitira. So if your family members are 7, 6, like more, you can always make it in a pitira. Friends, meanwhile our milk is boiling. We will boil the rice. Friends, we are going to add all of the rice from every corner. Have to empty all of the bowl. Friends, we will add these 2 cups of water. Friends, the milk is almost ready and you see the rice are almost ready as well. Friends, when they both are ready, we will add the rice into the milk. See, the rice have boiled and with the mix and its pink color, you can see it. Friends, the rice have cooked. And now I'm going to add the sugar in it. 2 bowls of sugar. You can add according to your taste. Carefully. When I've added already, I have added the sugar. Now I'm going to mix it. Slowly. I'm going to cut some pistachios for the decoration. Cook it well. So our kheer tastes very nice. It will take more 2 hours now. Friends, the kheer is ready. Now we are going to dish it out. The kheer is ready. I hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like it, like and share, and don't forget to